Hi, I'm Jim from AbleNet. Today, we are going to give you an inside look at the new QuickTalker Freestyle unboxing experience. Thanks to feedback from our conversations with speech-language pathologists, we've refined our packaging to create a more memorable experience. Unboxing a QuickTalker Freestyle for a device user represents the beginning of a new communication journey, one that deserves to be celebrated. AbleNet is committed to using sustainable resources, reducing our carbon footprint, and being forward-thinking in how decisions we make today may impact the environment. That's why we've reduced the amount of cardboard we use to package the QuickTalker Freestyle by over 40%. We've also utilized the free space on the box for messaging and instructions instead of using more paper. And we've eliminated any bubble wrap, foam, or hard-to-recycle materials, making our package much smaller so we can reduce the amount of cargo space we take up during the shipping process. When the QuickTalker Freestyle arrives, you won't need any scissors or extra tools to open the box. You can simply use the easy-to-pull tear strip to open the box. Inside of the box, you'll find instructions to connect to Wi-Fi, and if your device uses an Apple ID or your speech app requires a username and password, those credentials will be included here as well. Next, and most importantly, you have the QuickTalker Freestyle itself. Underneath the QuickTalker Freestyle, you'll find an accessories box that includes instructions for how to get your QuickTalker Freestyle up and running, and information to connect with our AbleCare product success team should you need any support. Inside the accessories box, we've included a shoulder strap and a charging cable, as well as some fun items like a backpack and a name tag that can be personalized with stickers. When you are done unboxing the QuickTalker Freestyle, you can keep the box, or if you choose to discard it, please remember to recycle. We are excited to be part of this communication journey and to help individuals with communication disorders be heard. With our capabilities and your care, together, we can make this human need a basic human right.